Alright, so this is a 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. The issue we're going to tackle today is the flooded floor carpet. It's really wet, so that's what we're going to do today. Find the leak and fix it. So let's do it. Alright, so let's take this rubber nut here, and if I push this carpet, you can see that it's wet. You can see the water is coming out, see? So that's the issue with this thing. And now we're gonna have to open this A-pillar here. So here we are. I already took the cover, the panel here out. Here, the one in the visor. Also, you have to remove. And now the line is exposed. And here's the connector from the sunroof to the pipe all the way down. So here I am going to get the water. I'm going to put water on top of the sunroof. We'll see if there's a leak, or not leak, but if there's a clog, then water is not going anywhere, is it, right? So there's no water coming out yet. So there's no water here. I don't hear any water dropping on the floor. So probably I have to put more water on the top. So let's put more water. As you can see, it just stays there. It's not going anywhere. So if that's the rain, then you know it's gonna go inside to the interior for sure. It's gonna find its way in or way out. So to fix this, so I removed the pipe from the sunroof, and then I hook it up into my air hose, right? And put a pressure there so that if it's clogged, all those debris is gonna come out with the pressure. So this is the second time I put the pressure on it. The first one is actually, there was actually popping sound. So I didn't have a chance to record that, but it did pop out the debris, the blockage. So just so you know. So you can see now it's open, right? So there's no more clog. You can hear the air coming out. So, and all of 4 water drain for the sunroof, this side here on the driver's side is the only one that is clogged. So now let's put more water and see if it's gone. As you can see, you can hear it. So now actually the water now is actually draining. You can hear it dropping somewhere. Right there. Right? It wasn't like that before, so now. So this issue is fixed. So at this point, all you have to do, just put back everything. Right? So put back the headliner next, and the rest is just reverse. So if this video helpful, please consider to like, share and subscribe, so that we can continue on making good content. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.